Great day everybody, welcome to Skill of Dimension. Today, as a celebration of 7th anniversary since releasing of GTA 5, we got here another special video. Today it's gonna be tutorial about how to get money fast in GTA 5 online, especially the way I love the most. So let's check it out. Okay, so the way I love the most how to earn and make money in GTA 5 online fast and easy is not totally for beginners, because if you want to do that you need to become a CEO, and if you want to become CEO you have to have at least $1 million to could purchase the Maze Bank West. Then when you actually buy the, for example, Maze Bank West, of course you can buy Arcadius Business Center or Loan Bank West or Maze Bank Tower. But if you buy one of those properties, you can become the CEO. And as a CEO, you have a lot of benefits. You can stealing the vehicles and the cargoes and every kind of stuff. So basically the CEO is coming with the various missions that you can complete. For me, the best way to earn money is to stealing and then selling the vehicles. That's what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it working, how this kind of earning money does work. So as you can see, we are now in our skyscraper, the top of our company. I am the CEO, not yet, because I have to sit right here to the table. As you can see, a lot of money there, so I will just click E. We are sitting for the computer. My password you cannot see, so close your eyes now. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the software of SUR CEO. So you got three kind of missions that you can complete. Special cargo, when you are stealing whatever, various kinds of, treasuries, art and many more things. In the end you are just going to sell them. That was quite a fun, but not too much for me. For me it's the special and the most entertaining way, the vehicle cargo. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. There is one more way how to earn, and it's special vehicle work. When you complete few vehicle cargoes you still can go to one special vehicle work, but I would say it's quite harder than the vehicle cargo. So this is why I like the vehicle cargo so much more. So let's go to vehicle cargo, and as you can see now we will click on the source vehicle. So we will click on source, and now we order that we are going to steal some kind of vehicle. On the left you can see that we are going to steal vehicle 770 mid-range with plate, blah 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 blah, whatever. So now I am going to my assistant for a vehicle. We are choosing, let's choose, you know what, Kurma. I love to take in Kurma for those kind of missions, but you don't have to. You can go with any car, Zentorno, whatever, every kind of car is good. So basically we took the mission, and now we have to go and steal the vehicle. So
we've got a problem. This car is about to be used in a stunt in a movie. They're likely to trash it.
Okay, so that is one of the kind of this mission, so that this car is used for stunts. This means that you have to steal the car even there are a lot of people, guards and so on. This mission especially I don't like too much, because why I love this mission? I love this mission because I am a driver. I love to play Need for Speed as a child, and when I'm playing GTA, mainly I'm playing it because I love to drive here. Now I will just switch the hands because I'm right hand. So as I'm telling, I love to ride here in the GTA 5, and this is why this way of earning money is the best possible way for me, because you are just riding. You just sit the car, ride on the one place, steal the car, ride to another place, then a little bit upgrade the car and sell it. So again you are going to ride it to your goal area. So this is why I love it. You are just riding around this beautiful map, this beautiful city, and you are earning money for it. So this is why this is the best and quite a fast way how to earn money. And it's quite easy, I have to say. So this mission could not be easy because there will be guards, so we need to kill them, possibly. But then everything else is supposed to be easy. I want to see what kind of vehicle we are going to steal, because I really believe and I really hope that we are going to steal one of the most expensive cars in the game, because there are, I would say, 3 categories of cars that you are stealing and then selling, and that's like middle, high and extra high grade. So the extra hypercars are selling for the most amount of money in the end. So this is why I want to steal those kind of cars. So let's get out of the highway. Okay, I think this shortcut could be, oh, maybe not so good as I believed, but still. As you can see, we are coming closely to the place from where we are supposed to steal the car. So at this mission you have to be quite a good driver in the GTA 5, because when you are stealing the car they are shooting at you and you cannot crash too much, because you will devaluate the value of the car, you know. So as you can see, they are all here and they are preparing for the stunt, so I just have to come closer. I will kill all the guards. As you can see, the red dots on the map, and then, you know, I'm going to steal it. What's this? Hey man, as I'm telling, I'm not good aimer. I'm more like an... Hey, one more. Fine, so as you can see we have 2 you know, stars, so police are looking for us. I hope we'll miss it, or you know what, we can call Lester, right? Where is he? Come on, Lester. Please, please, please. It's gonna be good because we will pay just 400 remove wanted level. Okay, so as you can see, we paid only 400, but we get rid of all the policies. So basically, less damage could be, you know, occur on our vehicle. As you can see, we stole quite a good vehicle, but now we need to hit the boost. As you can see, left top, L shift to actually boost. So, oh man, oh. So as you can see, I just showed you that there is, you can destroy quite well the vehicle here, and as you can see, they are chasing us already, even with the, oh shit, helicopter. So we need to go on the highway as fast as possible. As you can see, the damage done on the vehicle is already over 2000. So we need to go to our garage as soon as possible. So I will show you just a short montage of how we are escaping them, and then I will cut it straight into the garage. So as you can see, they are still shooting to me and they are still making more and more damage on the car. Now we are at $2,500 damage. You will have to pay, I believe. So no. This is what I'm talking about. You are just riding and earning money, but the question is how you are earning money. You have to bring this car to your garage, and from in which it's gonna be like upgraded and then sold. So we have to go really fast. As you can see, they are not close to us anymore, but we still can meet another of them during the way to the garage. So, but as you can see, I'm telling to you that you can, as you can see, another ones, but they stood in the opposite way, so it's gonna be hard for them to chase us again. So as you can see, as I'm telling to you, we are losing the value of the vehicle. The repairing costs are increasing, but as you can see, we flipped, we crashed on the earth, we get shot by quite a few guys already, and it's just 2,500. So it's not too bad. It could be so much worse. So oh, okay, this could be expensive one. So as you can see, even you are crashing your vehicle, it's not too much money. You can still earn on it. So basically, you don't need to be an amazing driver, but you know it's quite a good if you like it. You how you could change the direction like this? Fuck. Okay, so now we are coming close to our garage. Oh, fuck! Did not expect it. It was really close. So as you can see, we are close. We are 0.7 miles from the garage. And then the selling part is coming. The good at this mission is that even you are close to the garage, when you are close to the garage, they cannot chase you anymore. Even they are close to you, helicopter, even the drivers, they cannot chase you to your garage. So when you enter there, you are free, and you bring your 770 to your warehouse. So now you get a call from your assistant, I believe. And as you can see, there are all the vehicles that we stole already. So few Porsches, Ferraris, you know, old Corvettas. Yup, very good assistant.
Okay, that's on the books
So
at your
now
warehouse.
you are going to your office, and you are going to sell one of those cars. So I'm not sure if I can sell the newest one, because I think there should be some time, maybe between we bring it and we can sell it, but no. Yeah, as you can see, we need 9 more minutes to actually we could sell the car, but it's okay, we can wait. Okay, so as you can see, we can now already export the car. As you can see, here are 4 icons of car. This is because you can work with your friends and sell 4 cars at once. But when as I am the alone, so I'm going to sell only 1 car. As you can see, we got a Warrior's price of the car, so sort by value, and we can see start and range, mid range, and as you can see, we have the most expensive car here. So we are going to sell the standard range. As you can see, we can earn 15,000, but as we click on the export, we can choose if we are going to sell it private, showroom, or special dealer. When we choose specialist dealer, we will upgrade the car for $7,500, but in the end we can earn $37,500. So basically we are going to this way, and we'll just fastly improve some things here. Primary, let's choose Chrome, no problem, it's all free, because you will in the end bumpers, let's say those one, okay, no problem. Wheels, let's say, for fun, lowrider, why not, nobody cares. So basically, as you can see, we upgraded the car, and now we have to deliver it to the customer. So we have minus $7,500, and we have to go really fast and not crash the car a lot.
And if another crew comes after it, do everything you can to stop
Again, as it before, there will be guys going after us, but we are good drivers, you remember? So it's gonna be easy. So as you can see, we will earn $37,000 in the end of this mission. For the most expensive cars, you can earn up to $100. I believe, yeah, it's $100, $100,000, sorry. So this is why I love completing those kind of missions. What the hell is there? Complete mess on the GTA Online. So as you can see, we did not meet anybody so far, but not like that. I want. Oh no, I'm afraid somebody is chasing me and somebody wants to destroy my car with my delivery. I hope not. I hope it's not. So as I'm saying, we can earn up to 100,000 for one delivery on this kind of missions. So I really love it. Like 100,000 for example, now it's like 15 minutes. 100,000 for 15 minutes is quite a good, like dollar time ratio, I would say. This is why I love it. And you are doing nothing. You are just riding. Nothing special. You don't have to try hard it so much. Just going. You see, sometimes some corner that you will miss, but no problem. Woo, that was close. If I would go a bit faster, it would crash. But not happening to that. Oh. Oh. Still no commission loss. Look at this. Still 37,500. Like a pro. So, and why I'm telling this is the best way to earn money for the drivers as I am, because I made already a lot of missions. I used various ways to earn money in GTA 5 already, and I have to say this is the most entertaining, and there is almost zero possibility that you will lose, you will crash the car will explode, or they will destroy your car completely, so you will lose money. So basically there are so much more risky businesses in the GTA 5, for example selling drugs and so on. So as you can see, clear $37,500, and for the most expensive cars even 100,000 for few minutes in GTA 5. So this is how to get money fast in GTA 5 online. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you like it, hope you loved it. If yes, please hit sub and hit comment what next video you want to see on this channel. We are mainly tutorial channels about Vegas Pro and many more, but today special part because of the 7th year anniversary of GTA 5. So that's all for today's video. Have a nice day, rest, and see ya at the next video. Bye.